Hi friends, this is modern custom font which is now in trending. This font is Future, it's Futura MD BT. Check this freesvgo.com. Uh, Now do what I do, make a rounded shape here, make it in white color. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Now copy this, make it here. Same. Now copy this one. Now again copy this. It should be same position. Copy with shift alter so it will be in same direction. Now copy this also in same place. Shift alter and go to G, place at G, and again copy this and place it at below V. So check this. This is font. Okay. So this is our modern font. Now you can select this font and make it create outline, and then select all and delete that section from shape builder. So your font is ready to use. Bye.